So NERCS calls for balanced growth, by which he means a synchronized use of capital across a wide range of projects in different industries, which can raise the general level of economic efficiency and enlarge the size of the market. By using this approach, NERCS says that we are taking advantage of complementarities as well as externalities on the production side or on the supply side. Similarly, complementarities on the demand side are also being used for social welfare. They are being utilized better. When we have investment across a wide range of industries in this manner, it is also automatically creating or encouraging vertical horizontal integration, creating the grounds for better division of labor, for better utilization of social and economic overhead capital, better utilization of raw materials, all along efficient utilization lines. Similarly, even technical skills, they are being generated, they'll be created and be utilized in a more efficient manner if simultaneous investment is being made across a wide range of sectors. When he talks about the balanced growth doctrine, he talks about, or he emphasizes on the need for balanced growth between agriculture and industry. Trying to invest and trying to get industry to grow at the cost of an agricultural sector cannot work. So you cannot keep on investing in the development of the industrial sector while neglecting the agricultural sector. This is because both agriculture and industry are mutually dependent industries or sectors. So the agricultural sector is what provides raw materials to the industrial sector. The agricultural sector provides basic food and other basic necessities to the workers who are earning and working in the industrial sector. So the industrial sector is always dependent on the agricultural sector. Similarly, the agricultural sector is also dependent on the industrial sector. How? The agricultural sector needs machines and implements and capital from the industrial sector. As the industrial sector expands, as it employs more people receive incomes, more people and demand is being generated, and this demand provides the market for the goods produced in the agricultural sector. So there is a two-way relationship or mutual dependency relationship between the agricultural and the industrial sector. So NERCS emphasizes that both these sectors should be developed or should grow in a balanced manner. Ignoring one sector at the cost of the other will not benefit an underdeveloped country. Similarly, he also talks about how the domestic sector and the foreign sector are equally important and hence they should also grow in the balanced manner. By domestic sector, I'm talking about production and manufacturing for satisfying demand internal to the economy, for the domestic economy. And foreign sector means production for demands of the foreigners, for exports and imports. Exports and imports actually generate very valuable foreign exchange resources which can be used for the development, to fund the development of the underdeveloped countries. So you cannot neglect the foreign sector at the cost of the domestic sector, nor can you only go for export promotion activities while ignoring the basic domestic production sector. So according to NERCS, both foreign and domestic sectors should grow in balance. he also says that, he also admits that carrying out or implementing this balanced growth doctrine requires large scale coordination and deliberate planning, which can be done by either the government or the private sector. So Nerks in his lectures says that either the government or the private sector can take up the role. However, he admits that a large amount of coordination and deliberate planning and implementation effort is required. Most other economists who vote in favor of balanced growth doctrine, they generally say that it is only the government sector that can carry out such activities on such a large scale. But Nerks is not of that point of view. He in fact says even the private sector can take over the development of or carry out the development of an underdeveloped country, but he says that the amount of coordination and planning required is very large.